Hi everyone. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to solve an equation for y. For example, you're going to take an equation that looks like this, and you're going to rewrite it in terms of y so it looks like this. Okay? And this one has already been done for you. So we started with this. We subtracted 4x from each side, as you can see here, which gave us this result. Then we divided each term by 2 to give us this final result. Okay, and that's what we're going to do with each one of these problems. We're going to solve them for y. All right, so here's our first example. Actually, there's only one step in this equation here to solve it in terms of y. We just need to divide each term by -2 to isolate for y and get it by itself, okay? So we'll have y here equals -2x minus 5. Okay, some equations will require a little more work than others, and some will not require as much. All right, so the next one is just like the first one. We just need to divide through by -3 to solve for y. So divide this term by -3, this term by -3, and this term by -3. And we'll end up with y equals 6 divided by -3 is -2x. And -15 divided by -3, that's going to be +5. All right, let's go to the next one. Again, this one is just one step. You're just going to divide through by 4. To solve it for y. So this will give us y equals 16 divided by 4 is 4x. And -4 divided by 4 is -1. All right, this one's going to require 2 steps because you have to undo the 2x from this side, and then you have to divide 3 every term by 3. So to undo 2x, we just use the inverse operation minus 2x. And we do that to both sides. Subtract 2x from both sides. So now this is gone. We're left with 3y on this side. Okay, and I like to always put this term here first, following the equal sign, followed by this number here. Add 6. Now, go ahead and divide through by 3. So I'll have y equals -2/3 x, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Number 5. Number 5 will also be 2 steps. First step, let's subtract 6x from both sides. Now it's gone from here. All we have left here is 2y equals, okay, let's follow the equal sign with this term first, followed by 12 plus 12. All right, now we can divide through by 2 to solve it for y. So now you have y equals -6 divided by 2 is -3. So we'll have -3x here. And 12 divided by 2 is 6 plus 6. All right, let's start number 6. Again, you're just doing inverse operations, okay, to solve for y. So let's go ahead and add the opposite of -4x. That would be +4x. +4x. So you're adding 4x to both sides. You end up with 8y here equals 4x plus 16. And then just divide through by 8. So have y equals, well, 4/8, that's the same thing as 1/2. 1/2 x, and 16 divided by 8, that's 2. All right, number 7. Let's add x to both sides. Now this is gone. We have 5y on this side equals, it'll be x plus 10 on this side. All right, divide through by 5. So you'll have y equals, you can always put a 1 over here. So that's 1/5 x plus 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, get a head start on 8. All right, I'm going to try to get caught up with you. So add x to both sides first. We'll have 4y on this side equals x plus 4. Divide both sides, divide through by 4. We'll have y equals 1/4 x plus 1. You could put a 1 here. All right, get a head start on 9. All right, let's see how you did. Add 4x to both sides. You'll have 7y equals 4x plus 28. Divide through by 7. And you'll get y equals 4/7 x plus 4. All right, go ahead and try number 10. All right, let's see how you did. So add 3x to both sides. You'll end up with minus 3y equals 3x plus 9. Don't forget, this is a minus 3y. Some students forget to drop this or bring this minus down. It is not a positive 3y, it's a minus 3y. So then we'll divide through by negative 3. So we'll have y equals negative 1x, or just negative x, minus 9, because 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 9. Okay? And this concludes this lesson on solving equations in terms of y.